I was very happy to have Shady as my guide. He was very nice and was happy to answer any of my questions. He also went out of his way to help me find stamps and other things. The food was also good and his explanations of the customs and food was good. Discover the vibrant flavors of Manama on a guided food experience walking tour. Begin by tasting falafel and visit Haji's Cafe, the oldest in Manama, to immerse yourself in local traditions. Continue with a stroll through the spice market, sampling Bahraini sweets in Showaiter, and enjoy Arabic dishes at Aloo Basheer before finishing with Indian sweets. The tour introduces you to the history of Bahraini cuisine as you walk between stops. Haji's Cafe, established in 1950, offers an authentic glimpse into Manama's culinary heritage. You will explore the spice market, a key part of the city's food culture. The experience features a variety of food types, including Arabic and Indian sweets.